hope you all are fit and fine. I'm very happy to welcome you all to Standard 6th. I am Hetal, teacher, and I'm going to teach you English. I'm very glad that we can stay connected through this video, and it will help you to get engaged in your studies. This video will make you think and you can get involved throughout the video. Therefore, it's going to be an exciting task for all of you. Some important instructions. Please keep a notebook ready with yourself when you are watching this video. Okay? Then make a note of important points. Next, and you need to write answers in your notebook whenever questions are asked. Okay, let's go. Now, we make predictions, right? But how do we make predictions? But for that, you need to understand the word prediction. Prediction means to make guesses. So, how do we make guesses? First, by observing pictures. Whenever you have any story, first you observe the pictures, the colorful pictures which are given in the stories, right? Next, you are thinking about the story title. You are thinking what the story title must be talking about. Then later on, you are thinking about the past experiences. Next, you start making connections with those story titles by thinking about your past experiences. First, you observe the picture. Second, you are thinking about it. Later on, you relate it to the past experience, and then you make connection, and at last you come to a conclusion or you make predictions, right? I hope you all must have understood how to make predictions. By moving forward, here is one picture for all of you. Just observe the picture carefully. What is happening in this picture? You can see a cat. On the other side, you can see a mouse. You can also observe their expressions carefully. So what is happening? You can just write it down. Next, can you predict what may happen? I'll give you a minute's time to write down your answers of predicting, like what is going to happen over there. Because now you're going to make guesses. Suppose I make one guess. Maybe a cat wants to kill a rat. Or a rat will escape from the sight of a cat. Now it is up to you. What do you think, or what will be your predictions? Now think and write. I hope you all must have written your prediction or your guesses, right? Okay. So here a cat is hiding from a rat, and probably a cat will run away from there, or a rat will run away from there. So here are some words to help you out. May, likely, could, will, perhaps, probably. Now children, you can just see your answers which you have written. In those answers, you may find all these words. Maybe not all, but maybe some of the few words, right? So all those words will help you to make predictions. So hereafter, whenever you make any predictions, you may use those words. So isn't it an exciting task? So here is one more task for you, okay? Now, here is one more picture for all of you. you can see a small boy, and in his hand you can see a red color, beautiful red color flower. And there are few people standing behind. What is the time of the day? It's night time. Okay, because the stars are shining in the sky and it's dark, so it may be a night time, right? So what is happening over there? You have to predict, right? So let me show you one more picture. Now here you can see there is a land, boy is standing, and there is a red color flower in his hand. So what he can do? Just write down your predictions in your notebook. I'll give you a time. I hope you all must be thinking a lot. What a little boy will do, right? So, okay, let's see. Was your prediction correct? Yes, the boy has stolen a flower from the garden and he has planted it on that land, right? Correct? So, how many of you have got a correct answer? Maybe few of you have must definitely got a correct answers, right? So isn't it an exciting task for all of you for making predictions? You have thought a lot, right? Next. So this reading strategy is known as prediction. You read by making prediction. Based on this reading strategy of prediction, we have an important activity that is very interesting and thought-provoking. Let's have a look. Now this is a task for you where you have to observe the picture carefully. What all things you have to observe? First, the cover page. It is a cover page of the book. Second, you need to observe the title of the book, and the title of the book is Red, written by Sagar Kolvankar. Next, look at the picture given over there. You have a small boy who is hiding over there, and also look at its expression. Next, also do observe the color of that cover page, right? Now, what you have to do is you have to predict what will be the story of the book based on its title. So, you will write the answer in about 5 to 6 lines. So, this is your task for this video session. I hope you all will do it definitely. Till that time, bye bye, take care.